Grab a glass, grab your favorite bottle. Gotta sip it slow, yeah, that's the motto. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky, man, whiskey and kicks. We pour a glass, toss it up. Air Max 1s on my feet, throw them up. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky, man, whiskey and kicks. Kicking game on drinks and libations. Sipping on it slow, keeping with the patience. Freeze on my feet, you know I stay racing. Drinking straight up, ain't nobody chasing.
All right, man, it's your boy Brocky here.
And I'm Trina Marie.
This is a crossover event. It's a crossover event. I have a special unboxing episode of Whiskey and Kicks.
Oh, wow.
All right, so this is the Whiskey and Kicks show on the Where's Brunch podcast set.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
So
you don't want to set up the other setup.
No, yeah, we're just gonna do it because this is a very short segment. But
okay.
So you clearly you are ready to sip, so you know how this show gets down. You see me record plenty of times.
Listen, I've watched y'all drink, and I drink on the sideline.
She's ready to sip.
So now I'm on the show, and I get to drink on the show.
White
hey,
Negronis.
y'all. Hey, everybody.
The wifey is here. White Negronis intact. So
I like these. These are dangerous.
I brought you here. Oh, go ahead.
These are dangerous.
Yeah, this
This don't taste like alcohol. I like it.
Very nice cocktail. So I wanted to bring you on the set because I have, as you can see, 2 boxes here, sneakers.
Yes.
First, how are you doing?
I'm great. I'm just nervous. I don't know
what you nervous about.
Because you be doing stuff. What you been doing?
I be doing stuff, yeah.
Yes.
But we're just gonna get this. We gotta feed the people. You know what I'm saying? This is a whole different look for Whiskey and Kicks. It's a very non-whiskey and kicks, except for this right here, right? It's kind of my background.
It's very much Where's Brunch.
What is today? Tuesday? We don't.
Wait. It's all off. It feels crazy because it's a Tuesday. Like
so
on a Tuesday,
we're here for a good time, not a long time, right?
Yes.
So you always give me a hard time about not wanting to match you.
Oh Jesus!
The other day,
oh my God,
we were watching TV and there was like some underwear thing.
It was some the undies company,
and you never want to match me. Never want to match me. But I had already executed something before that. So once again, you were wrong.
Oh my gosh! Are you serious?
Yes. So we are unboxing some matching sneakers here on Whiskey and Kicks show. My wife and I.
Oh,
Matchy-matchy.
We gotta be matchy-matchy.
You ready?
Do we get a shirt too to match?
We'll figure out the rest. Let's take baby steps. Baby steps, y'all.
The swimwear, the swimsuits on the way, y'all. Matching swimsuits, okay? He about to have the matching boxers, and I'm going to have the bikini. We going to be somewhere with the matching swimsuits on.
Lord have mercy, yo. Save us all, please. So let's get to it. Let's get the sneakers opened up.
Okay.
I haven't even opened the box, so I'm hoping Nike delivered the right thing.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, so this is...
Hold on, let me see. Okay. Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh.
These are snazzy.
Welcome to the Vomero family.
What? So, okay, what are
these? Are these.
Oh.
The Nike Vomeros. So now you have the P6000s and you have a pair of Vomeros.
Wow.
So you can compare comfort and style.
Wow, these are, look at the color.
It's crazy,
what am I
right?
supposed to wear with this?
Well, my mind goes into all black.
All black?
And then these.
Wow.
You
These are funky. I like these. Bowerman series. Bowerman? Who's that?
What does that say?
It says that on the inside of the sneaker.
Okay, so look, now we get into it.
We get into it?
Bowerman series. I don't even know what that is.
Me neither, but these are groovy.
Yeah, how you like them?
I love them.
Think about these.
Oh my gosh. They're really like Oh, look at the webby stuff, and then they got this stuff here, like gills.
Yes, I like your breakdown. Let's keep going with your breakdown.
These
Let's
are
go.
like gills on fish right here. And then they got like the webbiness on the toe.
Yep.
They got the webbiness. They're very light.
Very light.
They're very, very, very light. Like, you know, you can run around in these and they're gonna feel like you don't have anything on your foot.
Remember I told you with mine, I feel like when I take, it's like, it's not even a shoe. It's like part of my foot. It's crazy the comfort in these things.
Yeah, these are really, really, wow. They're so light.
They are very light.
And with that much sole and that much support, you would think that you would be feeling something heavy.
Nope.
What kind of material is this? Do you know?
I don't know exactly what it is.
Okay, let's look at what does the tongue say?
So this color,
Yeah, what's the name of this color?
they call it cosmic clay.
Cosmic clay.
Cosmic clay. So all these little lines you see right here on the side, in the front, and right here and here, it all glows in the dark.
Oh shit! I'm glowing in the dark.
Yes.
Wait a minute, people. Wait a minute.
You glowing in the dark, baby.
Oh, we going out. We
you
going
in,
out.
you up now. You up.
We going out in these.
She said it's up and it's stuck, y'all.
Oh my goodness, these are so cute.
Yeah, they're dope. These are clean.
And you want to be matching with me?
Hey, you know, listen, you gotta, you know, what they say, happy wife, happy life?
Hey,
know what I'm
yes.
saying? Happy
This is
wife.
just the beginning to our matching sweatsuits.
Just beginning, oh Lord.
Yes.
Yeah, I
these
like
are
the
nice.
color is crazy, yo.
Wow.
And I've been wanting an all red shoe for a long time. So this is kind of red. It's kind of orangish in a way.
Orange red.
You know what I mean?
It's giving Mars.
It's giving.
Do you get what I'm saying? Red planet.
Yes.
It's giving red planet.
Yes.
That
That's
clay.
the cosmic clay.
Yeah, it's
Yep.
giving the cosmic Mars situation. These are so cute. I like these. I'm looking forward. It says cushion on the side. Nike Zoom. Okay. All right. I like.
Fix your shoestrings up a little bit.
You gonna
here.
fix them? What?
Yeah.
What's supposed to happen?
Well, you know, you're a little stylish with them.
Oh, okay.
Flex your shoestrings a little bit. So yeah, we are matchy-matchy now. You finally got your
excited.
matching product, husband and wife, matching sneakers.
And I'm wearing them the same day you wear them out.
That's the whole concept. That's the whole point.
This is so cool. Oh my gosh. And let me just say, for the viewers out there, I was just complaining about him not wanting to match me.
Like I said,
We were
opening
laying
show.
in the bed, and I was like,
You never wanna
this
match
could
me.
be us, but you never want to match me.
And I was like, oh yeah? Knowing these is already on the way. I love it when you do that. I love it.
That's so messed up.
Throwing
You
that
let
right
me-
back in your face.
You let me do that. You let me say all
You
that.
said I had to let you do nothing.
I
You
just
said it.
I said it.
But you know you weren't lying. Like you know, I've been fighting the matchy thing for a long time. But this is the perfect opportunity for us to match.
Yeah, this is really-
what really happened. You want to hear what really happened?
what really
I'm on
happened?
the site and I'm like, yo, these is crazy. And then I was like, I gotta grab these joints. And I said, they would look dope on her foot though. I said, maybe I should just get them for her. And yeah, and then I was like, well, I got no other ones in mind for her. I'll just get these for myself. And I was like, we about to be matching. And that's
Get
what
me
happened.
an all black cat suit to wear with these.
All right, people, thank you for coming out.
These are really dope. I can't wait to wear them. So this means I don't have to wait now. I can wear them, right? Because they made it.
Oh
on the
yeah,
show.
we're good. They're unboxed.
Yay.
Shout out to the homie Joey. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, Joe.
Special edition here though with the
Special
wife.
edition. Ladies, it is possible. Just keep dropping hints and y'all can be matchy-matchy, okay? It's totally possible. You can do it, okay?
Gotta love it, y'all.
Just start small, the underwear.
Thanks for joining us on the Where's Brunch podcast set.
Yes.
Shooting Whiskey and Kicks content.
Hey.
This is a collaborative effort. This
Yeah.
is a mashup
Yes.
of different shows.
Two
into
different
one.
shows mashed into one. So the sneakers are gonna get on the turntable and all that stuff too.
Oh yeah, I'll do the
wanna do that?
turntable and all that, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put it on the table right here and shoot it. Gotta let them know. You know what I'm saying?
We're the cool kids.
Maybe I can get the glow in the dark scene shot too.
Oh
You know what
yeah.
I'm saying?
I love it. Thank you.
Like it?
These are awesome.
You're welcome. You're welcome. These are clean, yo. These are dope.
I can't wait to put them on.
The color is fantastic.
They look so airy. Like they look like they got ventilation in them.
I really, this what I really want to get out of this is to see how you feel about the comfort in those compared to the comfort in those P6000s.
Okay, cool.
I really want to know what you think about
Okay,
that.
say
So
less.
we can throw these on and walk around the house in a couple minutes.
Breezy.
Yo, I appreciate you coming on the show.
Well, it's always great to be a guest. I was wondering, like, did he buy me some Jordans finally? Is that what this is? Is this the
Nah, no
Jordan?
Jordans yet.
And then I saw it, but I was like, okay, they're not Jordans.
No Jordans
Yes.
yet. This
But
other-
these, I love the color. Like, there's got to be like a whole outfit for this.
I told Joe at your party, I was like, I'm doing I said, yo, I'm doing a special unboxing with Trina. I grabbed me and her matching on the Vomero, the red joints. He was like, I was just looking at those. He's like, no, I wanted to get them, but I couldn't find them. I was like, they're on Nike.com. He was like, they wasn't there when I looked. I'm like, okay, Joe, yeah, they were.
Oh.
They was out there. I got them. We got them joints.
We got them now.
Anyway, man, y'all be good out there. I think we're good here.
That's it.
That's
Do
it, yo.
you have any keys for guys who want to do matchy-matchy stuff with their wives? Do you want to give them any tips?
No.
And
No.
there you have it.
No. Y'all be good out there, yo. Do we do the like me and Joe? Y'all do that? Oh, we out.
Oh, hey.